Hey, it's Jack. Thursday. Now, you know I love selling options and bringing in premium, calling it premium income. I'm an income trader mostly. I like those stocks that you can create income with. So, how do you create income? I'll tell you that, and I'll give you 3 stocks that you can use it on. Now, one of the best ways you can do this is with a naked put. All right, you just sell to open a put on a stock at the strike price you want with the expiration you want. Now, usually I'll go 7 to 10% lower than the market price of the stock when I sell a naked put. If I really want that stock, I'm going to sell a naked put closer to the price of the stock's trading at now. So the naked put is great. Credit spreads, you know I love those. I do those every week. And covered calls. On stocks you own, you need 100 shares to do a covered call. You don't need to own any stock for a credit spread. You don't need to own any stock for a naked put. So the reason I'm doing this now is because the premiums are so high, really high options across the board, whether you're selling puts naked or selling calls covered or doing credit spreads on stocks, bull put spread specifically. There's so much money in that right now. Now, let me give you 3 stocks you can apply this to. Number one, the number one income stock right now, IBIT. That is the number one stock. Couple reasons why. It has a high beta. Anytime you have a beta over 1, you have a stock that's more volatile than the broad market. The broad market has a beta of 1, so when you find a stock that has a beta over that, you're going to get volatility, and if you have that volatility, then you're going to get great pricing in the options. So IBIT checks all those boxes. The other reason I love it for naked puts is the capital is so low. The stock is trading, under $65. It means you could do a naked put on cash. You'd have to have the cash in your account if you were lucky enough to have the stock put to you. Or you could do it on margin. You'd only need 20% down, which makes the yield super high. Either way, cash secured, naked puts, or margin naked puts, they're both great. All right. So covered calls on IBIT is also great. If you want to buy 100 shares, you can do that for $3,000, less than $3,500 on margin. Or if you pay the full boat, $6,500, that's fine too. Then you could sell a covered call 7 to 10% higher, 30 to 45 days out. Great money. You could also do a credit spread where you'd pick a put below the stock, you'd sell that, and you'd buy the next put down, next strike down. And IBIT is great for all that, especially that price and especially this upside potential that it has. Now, another one I love is ANET. Absolutely loving what this stock is doing. It's relatively affordable at $140 a share. It's great for everything, credit spreads, covered calls, naked puts, right? And then the third one I'll give you today is Hood, Robinhood, HOOD. Tremendous stock all the way around. Now, I'm long all 3 of these. I'm going to just tell you in full disclosure. But those are the 3 best premium selling stocks you can get into right now. Trade well.